Are you terrified of opening your mouth to speak English because your mind suddenly goes completely blank, your heart races, and you start sweating the moment a conversation begins? Here is the game-changing truth that nobody tells you. Your speaking problem isn't actually a speaking problem, it is a listening problem. Most language learners fail to speak English fluently because their brains are constantly overwhelmed trying to process incoming sounds. When you cannot comfortably understand what someone is saying in real time, your brain panics, shifts into survival mode, and completely blocks your ability to form words. The fastest, most effective way to eliminate your fear of speaking is to train your ears so deeply that English feels as natural as your mother tongue. Here is the comprehensive, step-by-step master plan to overcome your listening anxiety, unlock your ears, and transform into a bold, fluent speaker. Eliminate internal translation. Stop trying to convert every single English word into your native language inside your head. Real-time conversation happens too fast for translation. Train your brain to absorb the overall context, tone, and main idea instead of hunting for individual definitions. Master the shadowing method. Take a 10 to 15-second audio clip from a speaker you admire. Listen to a phrase, pause the audio, and repeat it out loud, matching their exact tone, speed, stress, and pronunciation. Doing this repeatedly bridges the connection between your ears, brain, and mouth muscles. Immerse in high-interest content. Ditch the boring textbooks and formal news broadcasts that make your brain tune out. Consume content about topics you genuinely care about, whether it is self-improvement, cooking, tech reviews, podcasts, or movie analysis. When you are interested in the topic, your brain stays naturally engaged without feeling fatigued. Control audio speed strategically. Fast native speech often blends words together, like saying gonna instead of going to. Slow down YouTube videos or podcasts to 0.75x speed to clearly hear how words connect. Once your ears recognize the patterns, bring the speed back to normal. Use subtitles as a temporary scaffold. Start by watching videos with English subtitles to visually connect spoken sounds with written text. After a few days of listening to the same clip, turn the subtitles off completely and force your ears to do 100% of the work. Practice active listening over passive noise. Background listening while working or scrolling social media helps slightly, but active listening is where real growth happens. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes daily to sit down with a single audio track, take notes on new phrases, and focus intensely on every vocal nuance. Embrace confusion as growth. Expect to miss words and accept it without frustration. Not catching every word is a natural part of the learning process. The less you panic over a missed word, the quicker your brain recovers to focus on the rest of the sentence.